from BSIT 1B. Climate action in La Union. La Union addresses climate change impacts like coastal erosion and water scarcity through adaptation and mitigation strategies such as coastal protection, rainwater harvesting, and sustainable farming. So, La Union is taking steps to address the effects of climate change such as coastal erosion and water scarcity. The province focuses on both adaptation and mitigation strategies, including coastal protection, rainwater harvesting, and improved farm management. These efforts aim to make communities more resilient to environmental changes.
Hello everyone, I am Clarence F. Peralta from BSIT Section 1B. Adaptation in Coastal Protection. In San Fernando City, coastal erosion is a key threat. Studies recommend plant protection as the most cost-effective strategy, though plant retreat remains an alternative. In San Fernando City, coastal erosion is one of the major threats. Studies suggest that building seawalls or other protective structures, known as plant protection, is the most practical and cost-effective way to protect the coastline. However, plant retreat or moving communities away from high-risk areas is also being considered.
The agricultural sector is also adapting to climate change through the DAAMIA program. Farmers now have access to the ACAP website, which provides 10-day weather forecasts. This helps farmers plan their planting and harvesting schedules more effectively and reduce risks from changing weather patterns. To combat water scarcity, La Union promotes several water management strategies. This includes collecting rainwater, increasing storage capacity, and managing both surface and groundwater sources efficiently. These methods help ensure water availability even during dry periods.
Good morning everyone. I am BGP Mangawang, Base IT First Year Automotive. Adaptation Local Initiatives. The Balawan El Nino Council was formed to tackle drought-related issues in agriculture, water supply, and health, strengthening local resilience. Adaptation Local Initiatives. In Balawan, the local government created the El Nino Mitigation and Adaptation Council. This council focuses on reducing the effect of drought on agriculture, water supply, and public health, helping the community become more prepared for climate-related challenges. Mitigation Local Efforts. Mitigation projects in La Union also aim to reduce the greenhouse gas emissions. One example is the Bawang Mangrove Eco Park, which not only serve as coastal protection but also absorb carbon from the atmosphere and support marine biodiversity.
Good morning everyone. I'm John Pulbi Lapitan, BSIT Section 1B.
Mitigation broader context. Despite increased funding amounts, the national budget share for climate programs has declined, affecting local implementation support. On a national level, while the total funding for climate change programs has increased, the share of national budget for this initiative has actually decreased. This means local government often has limited resources for implementing large-scale climate action.
My name is J. Rico Lawrence E. Villanueva, BSIT 1B. Challenges in implementation. Awareness does always lead to practice. Data accuracy on climate impact varies. Overlapping agencies' roles cause coordination issues in water management. Challenges in implementation. Despite strong awareness, many adaptation strategies are still not fully practiced. There are also issues with data accuracy, especially in tracking land use and environmental changes. Additionally, overlapping responsibilities among different government agencies can slow down coordination and action.
My name is Junel B. Nacionales, Base IT 1B. National Disaster Resilience Month (NDRM) promotes climate adaptation awareness. Visit local government website for ordinance on climate, disaster preparedness, and resilience. To stay informed, the National Disaster Resilience Month promotes awareness and activities on climate adaptation and mitigation. You can also visit local government websites, like those in Balawan, to read about ordinance and programs related to disaster preparedness and climate action.